Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on your Chromebook. First, open your Chromebook settings and enable the Google Play Store. Once enabled, open the Play Store application. Search for Roblox and proceed with the installation. After installation, simply open the app and log in using your existing Roblox account or create a brand new one to start playing immediately. For the best experience, ensure your Chromebook fully supports Android applications. You should also check your device's specifications, particularly its processor and RAM. We recommend at least 4 GB of RAM for a smooth and enjoyable Roblox experience across many games. Stronger specifications will generally lead to better performance and less lag during gameplay. MongoDB Atlas provides a robust, fully managed database experience in the cloud, available across major providers like Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform, and Microsoft Azure. It handles all the heavy lifting, including patching, backups, and scaling, allowing your team to focus on application development. Atlas offers advanced features such as built-in monitoring, global clusters, and serverless options, making it suitable for mission-critical applications requiring high availability and performance without the management burden. If the Android app isn't working well, you can always try playing Roblox directly through its website using your Chromebook's browser. A stable and fast internet connection is crucial for any method, ensuring uninterrupted gameplay. As technology evolves, keep an eye out for cloud gaming services that might offer new ways to enjoy Roblox on your device in the future.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.